Today I'm going to show you crop transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here in 2 video layer, place the second layer on top of the first layer. Then we will go effect and search crop effect and leave it the top of layer. And we will go effect control. Go to the direction from which you want to bring transition effect. Animate the right keyframe. We leave keyframe animation in 6 sessions. I hold all the keyframes. Here is the crop transition is created. Then if I do linear here, then linear transition will come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.